In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Google Calendar. Let's dive in and make sure your calendar is set to the correct time zone, which is essential for managing your events accurately. First, open your web browser and head over to your Google Calendar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're on your calendar page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a cog icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will navigate you to a new page dedicated to all of your calendar settings. On this page, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. Here, you should look for the time zone option. This section is crucial as it controls how your calendar manages time for all your entries, ensuring they sync correctly across different devices and locations. Once you locate time zone in the sidebar, click on it. This will open up relevant settings on the main area of the page. Here, you'll see the primary time zone header. Beside the current time zone setting is a drop-down arrow. Click on this to view a comprehensive list of all the available time zones. You'll need to scroll through the list or type into the search bar to locate your desired time zone. Google Calendar does an excellent job of listing these options clearly, often alongside the names of major cities within those time zones, making it easier to find the right one. Once you've found and selected your desired time zone, you're almost done. You might also notice an option to change the label name of the time zone. This feature can be particularly helpful if you travel often, or if your work involves coordinating with teams across different time zones. By giving a customized name, you make it easier for you to remember and manage. However, it's just an optional step. The key task here is ensuring your primary time zone is correct. And there you have it, a straightforward way to change your time zone in Google Calendar. This little adjustment can have a significant impact, especially if you're coordinating meetings or events across different regions. Take a moment to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make additional adjustments or return to your calendar, you can exit settings by clicking back to your calendar view. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you can now efficiently manage your schedule no matter where you are in the world. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.